On this video, we're going to finish off our interlocking paver walkway with Evolution and Kingseal polymeric sand.
Alright, on this video we're going to put polymeric sand on this walkway. The polymeric sand is a mixture of sand and some polymers that creates a strong bond, kind of acts like glue. You put that in between the joints. This isn't going to go anywhere, but it's always good to have an extra layer of protection. Plus, it's going to make sure that no ants, no bugs, nothing grows from underneath, and nothing falls in there. So we're just going to go and put this. It takes maybe 5 minutes, put a little sprinkle of water, and then it's done.
The bag that we're using is 50 pounds, and it covers about 100 square feet. And it depends on the thickness of your joints. The cost is $24 to $28, depending on the brand. So we're going to be filling in the cracks on the side here, in case there's any bugs, there's any holes. This glue will harden extremely strong. Polymeric sand comes in different colors, from charcoal to black to beige to tan. And we're pressing it in with the broom. Make sure you don't take the polymeric sand out of the joints when you go back and forth. Make sure you press it in with the back of the broom or the front.
To get the polymeric sand inside these edges here, that's always a difficult part. What you want to do is get some tape on every edge. That way, when the sand goes in, it's not going to trickle out. So that's a little tip for you guys. Use paper tape on these kinds of pavers or Gorilla Tape. Gorilla Tape is really sticky, so paper tape is probably a better bet. Now you want to take this and kind of wrap it underneath so the sand doesn't trickle under, and then you push it through like that, and then there you go. Make sure you get all the sand off the paver so when you put the water on, it doesn't dry up on the pavers. Now that the pavers are done, the next step is to grab hose, and with a light spray, just kind of pour the water on, and within an hour, you're gonna have a super dry walkway. Now, if it's gonna be raining, it's okay as long as it's not gonna be pouring. You wanna have at least an hour to 2 hours before there's actually a pour. You're gonna notice that it's foaming up a little. That's just glue doing its job. Okay, that's it. So you're gonna notice that there's foam happening. It's okay, don't worry about it, don't brush it off. Let this do its thing. And then in about an hour or so, this will be set. And all these foamy bubbles are gonna just kind of dissipate. And then once this is all set, no ants, no weeds, nothing is gonna grow out of this. Very important that you get all the sand once you've watered it off where you don't want it, because when it dries you won't be able to, so you want to obviously clean this part off. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.